Gabby with the Style Workshop, and today I'm going to show you which tops go best with black acid wash jeans. So nothing goes better with black acid wash than a rocker tee. This is a classic rock look. You can wear it with heels or Converse. And for contrast, bright colors really pop against black acid wash, and it's a great alternative to the neutrals, and it really makes you stand out. Another great option is animal print. Animal print creates a very sexy rocker look. Black acid wash denim was made from black lace. Together they just go really well. It's a rocker look, but it's a little bit more upscale than the animal print or the rocker tee. Hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, you can reach me at thestyleworkshopsite.com.